guys, today I'm going to tell how you can make any kajal smudge proof and stay on your eyes for a longer duration. So step 1, use ice cube, rub it all over your eyelid. This will cool down your eyelids and prevent the oil secretion and make your kajal for stay for longer duration. Next step, apply compact powder. Third step, apply favorite kajal whatever you have. You can apply thin or thick. Here I'm applying a thin kajal. I'm not going to apply a really thick kajal. So after applying this kajal, step 4, I'm taking a black eyeshadow and applying it over the thin line which I have created. So after applying this, I'm just going to lock this kajal with help of a compact powder, and believe this, after this the kajal is not going to move out. So after applying compact powder, I'm going to show you the result. As you can see, there is no smudge. Now I'm going to complete my makeup. Here you can see. If you like this video, like and subscribe my channel.